Hello Eagles, it's Mother Eagle here. How is everybody doing? I hope you're doing well. And today I wanted to talk about faith. Faith is usually believing in the unseen, something that you've seen with your mind's eye and you believe that it is true, but there is usually evidence around you or things that show that, whatever you saw will come true. So there is a point in your personal development journey or just doing life in general where your faith will be tested, where everything you've been learning, you've been putting together, you have to pull all those resources of the mind power, strength power, and engage all of them in order to show the genuineness of your faith. Are you sure you want the success you want? Are you sure you want that greatness? You have to be tested. Life is obligated to test you, to help you reveal. Because, for example, if there were two competitors, maybe running a race, how will you know who is better? How will you know who has gained strength and growth? There has to be tests and life experiences that will help you gauge how far you've grown. So as those life experiences come, yes, they may be tough, but you have the ability. You were built for this. You have the strength to be able to overcome any challenge that comes your way. And the best part is, as soon as you overcome it, you will know that you've leaped to the next level. And as soon as you get to the next level, there'll be different things to deal with. There'll be a new way of expansion, new activities, and the cycle will continue going on. It's a pattern. Actually, once you recognize that this faith walk, this journey for finding our greatness, for finding the best lifestyle we want to live, for being our best selves, you'll find that it's a pattern. You go through a loop, maybe a loop of learning, then you get tested, then you expand, then you grow, you leap, and some lessons that you're not learning very well, they come back again and again in different versions until you get it, Yeah, but remember, when you're using your faith, stand strong with the values you've learned. Stand in your truth. If you know a certain decision has been made based on your truth, stand in that. It may be opposite of what everybody is or what everybody is doing, but that's fine. That is not your journey. Your journey is what you know that is true, and as you stand, you keep going from level to level, and you keep expanding and growing. And the life is not a destination. It's a journey, a path of growth, a path of evolution and of expansion, of life experiences. So enjoy the journey. Don't look at failures as failures. Look at them as lessons to be retrieved to help you on your next adventure. As always, this is Mother Eagle. Leave me your questions and visit mothereagle.net. That's where we have all these videos stored. Our gallery is full of awesome content. I'll talk to you soon. Love you guys. Bye.